Hey there, YouTubers. Me again. My son-in-law, you've seen him in a couple of videos in the past. This is his ride, and today he needs to put back brakes in it. And I'm going to let him do the work. I'm just going to coach him through it. And because he's never done this before, if he can do it, you can do it. So just hang on and watch. Things you have to pay attention to on these, they're not like the old cars that have a differential in the back that you can jack up both sides at one time. So with this car, you have to get underneath it, and you have to look, and you will see this little pad right here? That's where you jack it up by. Put your jack under that little pad. For safety, we're going to put a jack stand, and we're going to put the jack stand right here on this little bracket right here where the nut is. Don't put it back in here. I don't think that's going to be strong enough, so just make sure you put it right here where it's not going to do any damage.
For those that don't know, you got to have this special nut to take this off right here.
The locking nut.
Yeah, the locking.
And it should be in your glove box or in your car. If not, you'll have to go to the dealer and get one.
Yep.
So he's just going to go ahead and put it on the tire there, on the wheel, and we're just going to zing it off. We're going to zing it off with a pneumatic gun, but you can use your wrench, of course. Make sure it's going the right way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's going the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Now, if it gives you a hard time and you're using a pneumatic, don't use it. It'll ruin your tool. So just use to get that one off, just go ahead and use your regular lug wrench or your star or whatever. Once you get them loosened up, then you can go ahead and use the pneumatic.
Alright, so we got the wheel off here, and what you want to do first, reach back here with your fingernail, peel this off, take a 7mm Allen head, just loosen it up. Same with this bottom one here.
Just crack them loose and then go ahead and take them right off. Okay, there's where your bolts are. This is a view from behind. And he's going to take that bolt completely out. Okay, see if that bolt will slide out now. Don't take the rubber with it. Can you feel the bolt?
Barely.
Go figure, as soon as we shut the camera off, they came right out. But here's the, where am I? Oh, there we go. I'm on the last one. Pull that out. There you go. Go with your hands now, bud. There we go. Take those out of there.
Okay.
All he's going to do is he's going to take these pliers. He's going to pull in on that. See how he's pulling in on that little bracket? And then he's going to pull straight out. Boom. And it pops right off. You okay?
Yep.
Don't hurt your finger.
I'm good.
All right. Now this should slide right back off. Yep. Now we should be able to slide this right out of here. Just slide that straight back. Keep going. Show it who's boss. There we go. Woohoo! Actually, that isn't too terribly bad. It's not horrible. I mean, we'll go ahead and replace them, but it's not horrible. What's the back one look like? Pull the back one out. About the same. So she's wearing even. That's good. He could have gone quite a while longer on these, but if you get BMWs are really bad for eating up rotors, so it's good that we're getting to it now.
Yeah.
We got these little curly Qs right here.
Yeah.
And so we need to make sure we put those little curly Qs back on the new ones.
Yeah.
So they got new ones, so we don't have to worry about it. We're going to leave these on so we can see how that goes, how they go on. We have to spin that piston right there. And we're going to do it with channel locks because it's just easier. But you got to be real careful not to pinch that rubber seal. So he's just slowly turning that piston in. It is a spanner wrench. You'll see I have a spanner wrench sitting right there. We can do it with a spanner, but it turned out to be easier Should get some curly cues with your kit. And we're just going to put them in. All you got to do is look at your old one, look at your new one, and you want to put it in the exact same way. Okay? Yeah, it's going to be fun, it looks like. There you go. I guess the idea is to catch these little doodahs back here. So you're going to kind of catch them, and then you're going to push this down until it seats into that little groove. Okay? And this is probably for noise suppression or just to hold them in there. These come with noise suppression on the back. Back in the old days, we used to have to put like a grease back there, but I'm still going to put a tad bit of grease here. Okay? Or Permatex actually, just to keep things from getting ugly. And then we also have to put our if I can find it, there we go, we have to put our sensor in there as well. This one's a little gummed up. Is this sensor even any good? Golly. I know, this sensor looks like it's tore up a little bit. You see how the sensor hooks into the pad here. Lighting is horrible. But the sensor hooks into this pad.
So when we put the front one on, here's these little hooks. Got the sun gun on there. Probably don't.
Yeah, you got it right. There you go.
Just slide it in there until it wants to hang off. Yeah.
Okay, now try to slide that back on over those without knocking that all off. Just watch the wire. Actually, the wire, I think, yeah, okay, my bad. The wire's going to have to come through there, so we're going to have to undo the wire. Okay. And then put that on. There you go. We might have to squeeze the pads with your other fingers. Going on? Okay, there you go. Now take your bolts, these here that we took off. Put those back in. It's actually easy once you kind of know what you're doing, or we can see what's going on. We had to figure this out from scratch, so it took us a little bit of finagling. But for you people on YouTube land, you get to watch us do it, and it makes it easier. Is the thingy in the way? Get this out of the way.
Is that right?
Looks right.
What's it screwed into then?
Oh, you don't have it on far enough. You gotta pull that bolt back out. There you go. Slide it in more. Push it in more.
This thing?
Yeah. You keep going. On the bottom. Push the bottom in.
Oh, okay, I see.
There you go. Now you're cooking with real butter.
Okay, I see now.
You'll probably need the tool. You got it? Okay. I'd start by hand first, and then worry about the ratchet in a minute. You lost your bottom one already, though. There you go. I'd tighten that bottom one first, because the front one's kind of hanging on itself. You're too far. You got to go in more. There you go.
To get on the ground.
Yeah, go for it. I can see it from here. You want me to line it up for you? Just slide it in a little bit more, and there you go. And there you go. Get it?
I'm going to have to start at the top.
It's fine. Start at the top. Get that thrown in a few threads. There you go. That should be enough. Let's see if you can get that bottom one done. I'd use your fingers instead of trying to use a ratchet, but that's up to you.
Got it in there.
Good.
I think I did it anyway.
Snug? Do the top one. because you're not tight on either side yet. Tight. Now give it a good snug. There you go, do the bottom one. Okay, now that slot we pulled that sensor out of, we got to put that sensor back into that slot. Do you remember how to do that? Your slot is going to be right in here, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. You're just going to slide it into that slot best you can.
Big old heads in the way.
Can you see it? Once you get everything snugged up, you got to put your clip in. And it's just a matter of getting the two little ones lined up. Yep. And then just push in the middle. Push it in. Ta-da! It wasn't hard, was it? So just give it a little tap. Make sure she's good. And everybody's good. That one's done. Now we're just going to put the wheel back on. We'll do the other side and fast forward. But since there was a little bit of... oh yeah, don't forget to put your little captain back in there. And so we'll do the other one fast forward, but you'll be able to slow it down if you want to watch the second one be done. We're just going to throw the wheel back on, torque it down, and do the other side. Press the brake pedal a few times because the first couple of times you're not going to have brakes. Because it's not going to move. See how the brake is moving when he presses it? Do you have a brake pedal?
Yeah.
Okay. So you might have to press it once or twice before your brakes will engage, but now he has brakes, everything's good. I think you're good. These fall right off, don't they? While he finishes up putting that tire on, we're going to call this the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See, it's not that hard. So don't be afraid to try it yourself. He's never done this before. And look, he did it. So follow our example. Dive in, get your brakes fixed up, and save yourself some money. See ya.